Is there a best degree background for data science? I don't think so. I think that with the right study and the right approach and the right knowledge of the scientific method, anybody can become a data scientist no matter what you did your undergrad studies in. I don't see an inherent advantage or disadvantage to any undergrad degree. If you feel a little bit held back because you have an economics degree, as in this specific question, don't be. Believe it or not, the best data science teams out there, the best leaders, the ones that you want to work for, will want diversity of thought on their teams. I have seen some of the best companies in the world exercise that, not just in their data science teams, but in a lot of their other business teams. Having diversity of thought on a team is very valuable. So don't be shy about playing up your economics degree experience. You'd be surprised how many people will find that attractive.